In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to apply for a KuCoin on KuCoin. Applying for a KuCoin is straightforward. Step 1. Visit the KuCoin homepage and access the application if you want. Select the More tab and then choose KuCoin. Click on Apply Now on the KuCoin app. Review the information on the new page and fill in your date of birth information. Next, ensure that the cardholder name matches your KWC details. And read and accept terms and use of privacy policy and then click Next to proceed. Choose between creating a virtual card only or both a physical card and a virtual one. If applying for a physical card, an application fee of €9.99 is required. And click on Next after making your selection. Optionally, personalize the name printed on your card and then click Next when finished. Enter the address where you want your physical card to be sent and choose between standard or express delivery. And next, set a 3DS password which will be used to verify your online payments, and then confirm the password to ensure the accuracy. And that's it, guys. You need to wait for some days and you will receive your KuCoin. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.